In CBSE exam, the question to find the output is asked every year. So I'm going to discuss one question to get the output. The question is find the output of the following program, and the output will be like this. If we see the question, this is the output: 1 hash, 1 hash, 2 hash, 1 hash, 2 hash, 3 hash. So how this output occurred, we can see. First, we will understand how this code is going to be executed. First, the values 9, 18, 27, 36 is given to the variable numbers. There is an outer loop, this is an inner loop, and one print statement is there. So if we will break it, we are going to make these two lines as comments so that compiler will ignore it, because we want to know what will be the value of num that is going when loop is executed. So I am going to write print num comma and equals to \n. When I will execute this code, it will print the value of num. So I am going to execute. We can check. You can see 9, 18, 27 and 36. So here first time when the loop will be executed 4 times, the value will be 9, 18, 27 and 36. So now we know what will be the values. Again I am going to execute this one. I am removing the comment, and when the value of num will be 9, these two lines will be executed. When the value of num will be 18, these two lines will be executed. 27, these two lines will be executed, and 36, these two lines will be executed. So for the first time, when the value of number is 9, the range will be 1, and num percentage 18 means 9 percentage 18, 8 is 1. When num is divided by 8, the remainder will be 1. So range is 1 to 1. When the range will be 1 to 1, the loop will be ignored and not will be executed even once. Second time, the value will be 18. When the value will be 18, 1 comma, when we are going to calculate this value, so our 18 percentage 8, remainder will be 2. That means the value of n will be executed 2 times. First time the value will be 1, and second time the value will be 2. Third time remainder will be 3. 27 divided by 8 is remainder 3, and 36 remainder will be 8 4 32 4. So first time loop will not be executed, second time loop will be executed only once, third time loop will be executed 2 times, and fourth time loop will be executed 3 times. So I can write it here as print the value of n comma and equals to \n, and I am going to make this statement as comment. Let us see the output. See 1 1 2 1 2 3. That means for the first time when the value is 9, loop is not going to be executed. Second time the value is 18, loop is going to be executed once. Third time the value is 27, loop will be executed 2 times. When the value is 36, loop is going to be executed 3 times. Now we can check by keeping the variable name num over here. Now I am going to again execute this code. So you can see the value is 9, loop not executed, 18 loop executed once, 27 loop executed 2 times, 1 and 2, 36 loop executed 3 times. Here in the question it is asked the value of n. After n, a hash sign has been used to print. Now again I am going to execute the code. When the value is 18, it execute only one time. When the value is 27, it execute 2 times. When the value is 1 and the value is 2. When the value is 36, it will execute it 3 times. Now I am going to remove the value of num because it is not required. So you can see whatever is required in the question we have reached here. Now we can run 1. This is for 18, this is for 18 to the 8 to the 16, and this is for 18, 27, 36. This is for 18, this is for 27, and these three lines for 36. If I will include one more number 45, what should be the output? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you will make the practice of such questions, you will definitely solve the question of getting output in very short period of time during the exam. Thank you.